Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just finished filming another video and it's called the Walmart fashion haul. So I'm not too sure which video I'm going to post first. Is it going to be this one or the other one? And I was talking about how I just got home from work. It's very late at night and my face is red because I'm suffering a little bit from a windburn. But as you can see, this is one of the tops that I got from the Walmart fashion haul, and I thought I'd wear it right now. So there it is, and I don't think I even mentioned what I'm wearing on my lips, and I've spoken about this quite some time ago, I think last year, and this is mask proof, and what I'm wearing is a lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, and the shade is called Iconic Nude. And what I'm wearing with Iconic Nude is a shade called Chic Beige. It's number 164. And let me just quickly take it out. I find that this is perfect to wear under the mask. And this is Chanel Duo lipstick. It's like a liquid lip. And I'm wearing right now, I should put some more shine on there because maybe it faded, but generally this lasts a very long time, perfect for under the mask. Typically I don't put the clear gloss on once I'm going to put the mask because I think because of all the moisture, it keeps all the color in, but it can move around underneath the mask. So but I really love this, and I only wear this to work, and I feel so limited on the shades, but I love wearing lighter lip color, you know, with a pink undertone or a peachy undertone. So I'm happy with this, but it can get a little bit boring when you're wearing this on daily basis when you have to go to work. So anyways, let's carry on to my Lancome haul. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is a little gift that I got. I think this was a leftover gift if you spent a certain amount of money, and this is what was left, and I didn't know I was going to get this, so this was really nice to get. And let's open it. I already know what's inside because the salesperson told me, and it's just a little tin box, so it's a great way to store some Christmas cookies. I'll save it for next year or to store anything else out of it. But it's definitely a holiday photo that you've got right there. And I'm just turning it over so you can get a good look. So I already know what's inside of here. And what it is actually perfume. And in fact, I see something down on the bottom of the packaging. I didn't look at this before, so I didn't have a chance. It's called La Vie est Belle, Eau de Perfume, and IDôLE Eau de Perfume. I haven't tried any of these, so I look forward to it. I'm glad I got these little samples, and it will give me an opportunity to give it a try. So I'm assuming this one is called IDôLE, but I'm not sure. I would have to look it up. But is anybody a fan of Lancome fragrances? If so, or if not, please tell me below and comment below and let me know if you do. And do you own this one? Do you like it? It smells pretty nice. I still have to finish my other one, but nicely fragrant. So this will be interesting to give it a try. And then there's one more. And this little box is called IDôLE. So the other one is called, let's see, La Vie est Belle. So that's that. And it's a interesting packaging. Let me put on a side angle and go like this. Can you tell? It's fat here and then it goes more narrow. So that's cute little packaging. So then here's IDôLE, and it came in a little box, so I'm not too sure what it looks like on the inside. And again, these were free samples that I got. I'm sure it was like a gift with purchase, and I don't know if it expired, and due to the lockdown, not too many people are doing shopping, so they weren't able to give these out. So I was lucky to get my hands on this. And here's the other Very, very pretty packaging, very pretty. And I'm going to turn it to the side. There's a round, narrow part in the middle, and I doubt you can tell, but I can feel it when I put my fingers over the glass. There's a little hole over here and over here, sort of like you can pinch it and hold on to it. So I thought I'd share that with you as part of my Lancôme haul. Well, I don't know if you remember when I talked about the La Mer body cream and how I thought it would be a very nice luxury treat due to this COVID time, and if you're going through a lockdown, self-care is the most important thing you should do, and not too many people want to invest in buying more and more makeup because you have to face cover or you can't go out and do anything or socialize. But I know it's really nice at home to be able to put on makeup, but sometimes you just want to let your skin breathe, just with my issues right now because I go to work. So that sort of thing. But I got myself the Lancome Nutrix Royal Body Cream. And I just got this because I mentioned at the La Mer Body Cream that I wanted to buy this. And I plan on coming back to do a review on this body cream. What made me buy this is someone told me this is a beautiful luxury body cream to get. So I decided to buy it, and I'm just zooming in. Of course, my camera doesn't show the wording properly. It's backwards, but it is 200 milliliters, and I got it at Shoppers Drug Mart. If I can show a link, I will. Otherwise, I might have to use a Lancome website. So I can't wait to give this a try. And I promise to do a review. And I will compare this to La Mer body cream. Lancome came out with a brand new mascara. And I wanted to give it a try. I went onto the Sephora website, completely sold out. And I'm not even sure exactly when it was released. So when I was at the Shoppers Drug Mart store, I asked them, do you have the latest mascara? And they did. And I think they only had 3 or 4 left. So I decided to purchase one. And the shade is called 01, is the color code number 01, glossy black. And it's called Lash IDôLE or Lash IDôLE. And this is what it looks like. The box. I'm still using, when I filmed this, I'm still using that small Laura Mercier mascara. Once I use it up, I am going to open this and show it to you. So right now, I'll just show you the packaging at the moment. And when I do use this, I'm going to do a review on this product. So I promise to get back to you on that. And I'll show you the brush once I open it. I don't want to open it now because you know there's an expiry date with mascara, and I like to be very careful. I heard you can use it up to 3 months. If you heard otherwise, please comment below and let me know what your understanding is. How long, once you've opened this, how long can you use the mascara? So this is it, and here's a little diagram of the wand. I can't wait to give it a try. In fact, I'm going to put it on, film myself when I do put it on, and do my review. So thank you for watching and staying right to the end, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.